Lily and the Enchanted Forest. Once upon a time, in a cozy little village nestled between rolling hills and meandering streams, there lived a sweet little girl named Lily. Lily was known throughout the village for her kind heart and adventurous spirit. One sunny morning, as Lily played in her garden, she stumbled upon a mysterious old map tucked away beneath a pile of leaves. The map depicted a winding path leading deep into the heart of the enchanted forest, where magical creatures were said to dwell. Excited by the prospect of adventure, Lily decided to follow the map and explore the enchanted forest. With her trusty pet rabbit, Sparkle, by her side, she set off on her journey. As Lily and Sparkle ventured deeper into the forest, they encountered all sorts of enchanting wonders. They saw trees that whispered secrets in the breeze, sparkling streams filled with shimmering fish, and flowers that bloomed in every color of the rainbow. But as the sun began to set and the shadows grew long, Lily realized that she had lost her way. She and Sparkle found themselves in a dark and unfamiliar part of the forest, far from the safety of their village. Fear began to creep into Lily's heart. A soft glow appeared in the distance. Following the light, Lily and Sparkle stumbled upon a clearing where a gentle fairy sat, surrounded by fireflies. The fairy smiled warmly at Lily and Sparkle, knowing they were lost. With a wave of her wand, she conjured a magical map that would guide them safely home. Lily thanked the fairy with a grateful hug, and together they followed the map's glowing trail back to the village. When Lily arrived home, her family was overjoyed to see her safe and sound. She regaled them with tales of her adventure in the enchanted forest, promising to return one day with even more stories to share. And so, with a heart full of courage and a spirit filled with wonder, Lily drifted off to sleep, dreaming of the magical adventures that awaited her in the enchanted forest and beyond.